Resolution and Justice. Two police officers arrived within minutes, having been called by multiple witnesses. Officer Rodriguez immediately approached the crowd and began reviewing the recorded footage on Sarah's phone. The evidence was overwhelming and crystal clear. These guards have no authority to remove anyone from this public park, Rodriguez announced firmly. Mr. Williams, you have every right to be here. Blake and Mills were escorted away, facing immediate suspension and a formal investigation for discriminatory conduct. The crowd erupted in cheers as Marcus remained seated, Rex still loyally by his side. Tom's family brought Marcus a cold drink. Sarah exchanged contact information, promising to follow up on the investigation. Betty sat down beside him, her small dog making friends with Rex. The community had rallied around Marcus, turning an act of hatred into a powerful demonstration of unity and justice. Rex wagged his tail, sensing that his owner was safe and surrounded by good people who cared.